I hope you are doing great. So currently we are in our farm today, and I would quickly like to pass an information out to farmers out there that are ready to sell their fishes. If you are coming to us to help you make sales, please, you need to give us enough time to help you source for good buyers. You can't just come to our DM today and say that you need buyers tomorrow. No, if only you want to sell at loss. So you need to give us enough time to help you source for good customers that will help you buy your fishes. And quickly today, I would like to talk about the growth chart of your catfish. As a catfish farmer, you should know how to monitor the growth chart of your fishes. If you don't know the average weight your fishes ought to have attained at a particular month, you will just be keep on wasting feed and keep feeding fish. Even start feeding stunted fishes, you won't know. So as a catfish farmer, you should be able to know the particular weight and average weight your fishes should have attained in the first month, in the second month, in the third month. It's not until you start asking people, is your fish growing well, is your fish doing that? No. If you know the exact weight your fishes ought to have attained if properly fed and the water management is top notch, you should know the weight you ought to have attained as a catfish farmer that knows what he or she is doing. So in case you are out there, you don't actually know how to monitor the growth chart of your fishes, please try and find out. Try and find out. So that will be that for today. If you love what you see, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're on YouTube, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're on Facebook, kindly like our Facebook page. If you're on Twitter, kindly follow us on Twitter. Thank you for watching today's video. Do enjoy the rest of your day.